Okay, this is another nova, and they're talking about sprites, and you see they always originate from here coming up. Now they think that's starting at a cloud. It's not starting at a cloud, it's starting at the Earth, and it's starting from the sinkhole collapses that are coming up. Now, they brought up a point which I am thinking about, and this is speculation, but it makes sense to me, that they seem to see these in a disproportionate amount over the top of extreme tropical storms. Now, that would create a swirling in the water, probably disrupting or pulling up on the water, or pressing down on the water, or creating a vortex in the water. I'm not sure what the effect is, but I believe either the pressure would have a difference on the surface, or something is causing the surface to make collapses, and the collapse is going to cause these sprites. The collapse causes the atomic photon pulse, and it can and they can do it in a number of ways. They can collapse catastrophically, and then you get a beam of light, just like a flashlight coming up. Or they can collapse slowly, and if they collapse slowly, you shoot out more and more and more and more and more radiation. And there's an event that just happened, I believe, is that type of a scenario where it was a slow collapse down into the tube, which generated a continuous photon pulse. All right, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But that's my take on this. And underneath these storms, the surface of the Earth under the oceans becomes either pressurized down or up, whatever it is. All right, this happened in Arizona just a few days ago. This is on 9/19/2015. All right, so it happened yesterday. Now, I thought for sure, I said, oh, this is just one of those rockets coming back to space. Didn't work out. But no. Watch below. Watch below. Now, all of us, see this? You see how brightly that spot is up there? There's a bright, bright spot. You don't get that kind of brightness without intense photons. Intense radiation is coming out of it. Now, look down here. It's starting down here, too. It's blowing through these crowds. Now, you watch. He's not going low, or she, whoever's taking it. I was hoping they would go low, and they did eventually. But watch out here. Ah, there we go. Now, you see that? It's coming from below, and it's igniting whatever particles are there, either they're water vapor or actual particles. Now, watch what happens. This is going all the way to the Earth, and he doesn't realize, or she, whoever taken it. And you see how bright that spot is down at the bottom? You see that? Now look, it's already here too. So it's wherever there's molecules in the air, they're glowing because they're being excited by a photon pulse. There's just no other explanation. Now, all the way from straight down to the Earth, wherever that came from, if you could triangulate or figure out where it came from, you would figure this out. And you see this? That glow is excitation. You see down there excitation? Everywhere that it's hitting anything that has anything to do with anything. Now, this, I believe, is the kind of sinkhole that is slowly collapsing onto itself. Look, it's still lighting up these areas, and it's still burning these areas. It's still emitting enormous amounts of photon radiation, and it excites whatever molecules it hits. It's just, there's no other way to explain it. and it makes 100% total sense. And they just kept watching, and they kept doing this, and eventually I guess it faded out. Let's go way out to the end here and see what he's got. Yeah, it just eventually faded out, burnt itself out, and that's just the way it's going to work.